Good morning. I am out for a ride. It's about 5:40 a.m. on a Saturday morning. It's going to be pretty warm. Not too hot though, actually, but it's going to be warm, so that's nice. Today we're going to head kind of to the river, but we're going to go through the city. We're through the heart of the city. We're heading to the big bridge, which I usually go over. In fact, I am going over today. That's the big bridge down towards Casa Cohen and Disneyland. Going through the cities, bit different, bit more exciting. A lot of red lights. Oh my god. Made it to the Magic Kingdom. That is 30k all the way down here to Disneyland. We're going to go round. It's about, I don't know, 6k. M-I-C-K-E-Y-M-O-U-S-E, Mickey Mouse, Mickey Mouse. Forever let you sing his praises. Hi, hi, hi. Who's the leader of the gang who's good for you and me? M-I-C-K-E-Y-M-O-U-S-E. Hurrah! Here we are down on Tokyo Bay. Surrounded by hotels, people going to Disneyland mostly, Disney Resort, Disney Sea. Haven't been for ages, you know, and probably it's a good chance they won't go again. We went when the kids were young. They, you know, wanted to go, and then there was a point when they'd never mentioned Disneyland again. I was waiting for them, but they didn't say the word. And they switched to Nintendo Switch, and that was it. The Disney years were finished. I said to my wife, you know, I said, well, maybe the next time it'll just be you and me. She said, I'm not bloody going to Disneyland again. Anyway, that's my Disneyland story. Do you like this hotel? Look at those clouds. Look at those clouds. Oh, here's the Disney train! Woohoo! That's a volcano that erupts occasionally. That ship, can't remember what's on there. We went on that ship. Yeah. We found gravel. Wasn't expecting to find it, but didn't particularly want to find it, but you know, gravel will find you. Oh my god, what the hell am I doing? Okay, we're gonna have to get off. Dismount. This wasn't, well, you know, exploring. Gotta take the rough with the smooth. That's what I say. See where the road takes you. This is always an interesting part. We're under a big highway. It's like a kind of long strip of land that is just basically to put this highway above, I think. Just like a river on one side, and there's a river on the other side, and there's this highway snaking down. I like going down here. It's like the Hall of the Giants or something, isn't it? Hall of the Giants, you know, isn't that in the Hall of the Mountain King? How does that go? Do 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 do. No, that's Swedish Rhapsody, I think, John, isn't it? Or the Lincolnshire Poacher. Shut up. Get on with it. Tonight is the big firework display down here. People are claiming their spaces with a blue sheet and their name on it. Fireworks will probably start about 7 o'clock and they'll last about an hour, 90 minutes. Heading towards the lake. Old familiar territory. Are you watching the Tour de France? We get it live here. So in Japan, it comes on live. Coverage starts about 9 p.m. and the finish is usually about 12:30 after midnight. But recently, I get so sleepy. Around about 10:30, I can barely keep my eyes open. So I have to go to bed and then see the highlights the next day. I'm paying for it as well, so well worth it. I like the Tour de France, just the whole thing, you know, just France looks so gorgeous with the, and it's kind of exciting. Are they doping? I don't care. I don't really give a damn. If I could, I probably would. Would I? Maybe not. No, probably not. Does it spoil it? Yeah, I suppose so. Yeah, but out of sight, out of mind. That's what I say. Oh, that's for me. That message was for me. It said, John, stop going so fast. Really? It was. It says, cyclists, please slow down. Actually, some of these lads, they really are crazy fast. You know, I blame the technology, of course. They spend, I don't know, you know, $5,000 on a Pinarello Dogma F. And then they go flying around on their carbon bikes with their bloody clip-in shoes and their aero socks and their carbon hats. You know. Here's one for wheelers at yard, wheelers at large. Yeehaw! Oh yes, that feels good. It's the smallest golf course in Tokyo. In fact, the smallest golf course in Japan. And these 4 players are master at micro golf. This is nice, isn't it? In the countryside, the rice is a kind of bright, verdant green. Yeah, it is. The insects are buzzing. Yeah, it's really nice. You know, I like this ride because it was a real contrast between the city and the big, noisy roads, and then suddenly I'm in this rice field, and it's just quiet, just the dragonflies. It's nice to have that contrast, I think. Don't you think? So I'm already up to 96 kilometers. Woohoo! This is going to be a long ride. Nama chocolate, I guess, nice cup. Right. Next to the golf course here, everyone's going out to play golf. It's a lovely day for golf. That's golf, isn't it? It's never too late to quit golf, you know. Never too late. And get a bike. Well, there you go. That's 127 to here, 3 to get home. That's 130. Woof, that's a good one. All the way to Disneyland, and then all the way back, and then all the way up to the farm, and then all the way back. Anyway, this is John. That took nearly 8 hours, that ride. 130k, 8 hours. Is that good? I don't know. Maybe. See you next time. Bye bye.